Hello, greetings and salutations. Welcome back to the BFC. What a day for Cgra. I was in some of the chat rooms. Man, some of you guys got in at 197, 2 cents. Great entry levels because you're up more than 50% on your investment right now. Cgra for me, I'm holding 54,000 shares. I'm holding them long. I am going to regain my entry probably at about 5 or 6 cents. But listen, you guys do you, and congratulations to all of you that are making money on this play. You know, there's a lot going on here. I'm going to talk about that in a second for those of you that are new to Cgra or following it and want to get invested in it. I'm going to talk a little bit about what they are doing in a second. But kudos to all you guys that got early entries and are making money on this. But like I said, I'm holding this one long, and I will be retaining my entry at some point, 5 or 6 cents, depending on how I feel, depending on how it reacts to the PRs. So let's get into the tweet that sort of set this thing off today. Cgra, the foundations are nearly set and first deals close to completion. Our strategy will become clear in the coming week with the first of several announcements to follow. All right, so let's go back to this PR. Cgrowth Capital announces its new controlling shareholder, Redcliffe Holdings. Nick Link is in charge of this ticker now. All right, so like I've said before, this is not a ticker. This company has nothing to do with oil anymore or minerals. This is a complete new company. All right, let's look at what he says. We have plans for Cgra to become a leader and disruptor in the sports and lifestyle industry through consolidating and pioneering advanced technology in the sector. I'm always focused on businesses that can be scaled globally. With 2 very exciting acquisitions incoming, we are already performing impressively. I am very excited about the growth prospects for the company. I look forward to the appointments during the course of the next month of an experienced board and management team who have a proven successful track record in the industry. As with all the companies I'm involved with, and with the resources in place, I fully anticipate exceptional technology advancement and a global rollout for our acquisitions, which will deliver rapid growth, resulting in exceptional value for our shareholders. It is important to note that Cgra is not connected to ilus, all right? So those of you that recognize the name Nick Link and you think there is like an official connection between those two, the only thing is Nick Link. And although not formally connected, Cgra may well have significant areas of mutual interest and strategic alliance with Swifty Global. Their ticker is DRCR. Look them up. They are a really promising company. So let's go further into what to expect with these 2 acquisitions. And this was right out of another PR, right from otcmarkets.com. This is official. And I did cover this in my live broadcast on Saturday, and I'm going to do that again. I think I'm going to do that every other week. I'm going to be covering some random tickers that you guys are throwing at me. Just for the fun of it, we're going to do Bourbon of the Week. I'm going to give a shout out, but not this Saturday, next Saturday, which is, I don't know what the date is. What's a date? I should give you an official date. How about that? That would make sense. Yeah, we're going to do it on Saturday, February 18th. I'm going to go live again at 4 p.m., and let me just tell you, it was actually great. It was a great hour spending with you guys, and I look forward to doing that again. So let's look here. Cgra has agreed terms with its first 2 acquisitions and expects to complete the due diligence on the first acquisition within the coming days. The company anticipates signing of the share purchase agreement within the next few weeks. And we're at the tail end of that, leading up to the brand's participation in niche global sports event early in the new year. This business already sells from the USA to more than 10 countries through a limited distribution channel with minimal marketing and is now perfectly positioned to expand its range and scale up globally. So you can see the excitement building towards these acquisitions. All right. The second acquisition is that of a disruptive IoT company with technology aimed at sports venues, stadiums, events, and other lifestyle venues globally. The technology is highly scalable, and the company has already featured pilot installations at several leading sports stadiums in the UK, USA, South Africa, and Australia. Due to the value added by the technology and its vast interest in it, we would expect to gain global uptake within a short period of time through partnership with global brands on a revenue sharing model. So these guys are gonna start firing off, and I can't wait. It's going to be very exciting. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys. So pay attention. I would actually go on and if you're on Twitter, it's Cgra OTC. Follow them and put on your alerts so that way you guys get firsthand when these acquisitions go through. And really, I'm honest when I say this. You guys really should frequent the OTC market site for any investment that you're thinking about, or any company you're thinking about investing in, or any company that you have invested in that maybe you didn't do your due diligence like you should have. Go to otcmarkets.com. You will get everything from security details, the disclosures, the 8Ks, the news, any of that stuff. And, that's literally the primary source of where I get my information. I do follow Twitter. I go on StockTwits from time to time. I've stayed away from that as of recent, but because it can be a little toxic on StockTwits when you're looking for actual quality information. So that's all I wanted to talk about, because it was just an exciting day for anybody interested or invested in CGRA. Oh, and another piece of news, Igpk actually closed at a 0009. They're changing it up a little bit. What can I say? Hopefully they change their shirts more often. All right, listen, guys, there's more that binds us than breaks us. You have an awesome day. We're halfway through the week. Peace.